On the front line between Kurdish fighters and Islamic State militants, a group of young women have mobilized. They've left their homes and dreams behind to fight on the front line. They call themselves the Women Defenders.
لو تسير تروح شما نما لا يفهمنا بو عليك الدم ختم لبناتنا ننا لو تسير تروح شما نما شلبون لدستو اسم نما شلبون لدستو اسم نما تعود وانا كاني ما شاء الله لو تسير تروح شما نما
For 2 years, Iraq's Kurdish fighters have led the battle against ISIS, known as the Peshmerga, which means one who faces death. These Kurdish soldiers have helped claw back towns, villages and territory from the extreme